Hi, I'm Sneha and I have done my summer internship project from Bonanza Portfolio Limited, Mumbai in the domain of equity research, where the project title was Analysis of Indian Banking Sector Using Equity Financial Models. There I had done detailed research on two stocks, Lakshmi Vilas Bank and DCB Bank. I had also given the detailed research reports on the same, giving investment rationale, risk and concerns and recommendation whether to buy, hold or sell. In PIBM, we are given extensive training on Bloomberg Terminal, which consecutively helped me in collection of the financial data and preparation of the financial models on the two stocks. Before joining my internship, we have been given trainings on financial modeling and also research report writing. Today, I'm proud to say that I have bagged a PPO from the company from which I have done my internship, as well as the first placement in the batch 1570.